Dear all, this video is mainly for parents. Today I am going to tell you how to develop their children's fine motor skill. Okay, what is fine motor skill? Fine motor skill is eye-hand coordination. Yes, I am going to give you few tips how to develop at home. Are you ready? Shall we start the fine motor skill? So this is a piggy bank and these are the coins. You can teach your children how to hold the coin and insert the coin. So now the child is going to hold the coin and the eye is going to concentrate on the piggy bank. So you can ask the children to drop the coins correctly in the piggy bank. So the next tip is screwing and unscrewing. Here you can ask the children to unscrew the bottle and close the bottle. Right? See here. Here the fingers are going to work here. They will get a good gripness. So opening and closing. This is the second tip. And the third one is you all will have a casket at home. Alright? Even the clips. This here the child is going to hold the clips with the fingers, and here the same way you can ask the child to clip the casket. Since it's a colorful, it's a very interesting activity also. The child will do with interest. So you can ask the child to clip like this. This will give a very good eye-hand coordination. Parents, hope you like this video. In next video, I will meet you with another tips. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye from Sivagami.